8:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. Before we get into some very important charting and some news about XRP that we're going to start with, I want you guys to see this campaign that's going on. It goes until July 19th. You join by my partnered link, which is in my video description below. You click on it, and you have a chance to win a cut of 1 Bitcoin plus 77,000 BGB for new traders. So this is more than just new traders. This is also rewards for anybody who's actively clicked on my BitGet partnered link. You'll come into here. It's in my video description below. Just click on it and click here to join the campaign now. So it's a big promotion they're doing. And if you join me via BitGet, you can do the futures trading, or you can do the spot trading and then send it to your major exchange, because it's a trading platform. So since they don't lend money, I have faith that they're going to be here when a lot of these cryptos shut down. So that's why I partnered with them, because I needed to be on a site that's going to be around. And then I send my crypto, once I buy it to long hold it, I'll send it to Uphold, and or if I want to withdraw my money, I send it to my native exchange, which is Uphold. So pay attention to that. This goes on until July 19th, and I'll keep you guys updated with that. But we need to go over some very serious stuff. So XRP price analysis, what to expect in the next 48 hours. Ripple XRP experienced a 24-hour rise in price by 2.53%, taking its price up to $36.25. XRP's price is positioned between the 20 and the 50 EMA lines. The next major resistance that XRP price looks to challenge is the 50 EMA. Ripple is a technology that has both a cryptocurrency XRP and a digital payment network for financial transactions. Co-founders Chris Larson and Jed McHale first released it in 2012. Ripple's main process is a payment settlement, asset exchange, and remittance system, similar to the SWIFT system for international money and security transfers, which is used by banks and financial middlemen dealing across currencies. The token used for the cryptocurrency is pre-mined and utilizes the ticker symbol XRP. Ripple is the name of the company and the network, and XRP is the cryptocurrency token. The purpose of XRP is to serve as an intermediate mechanism of exchange between two currencies or networks as a sort of temporary settlement layer. The GB market analysis software has signaled that the price of XRP may fall in the next 48 hours. In the date range 7/18, the confirmation that the signal is playing out will be when the price of XRP falls to 33,409,167. This is also the identified price entry for the trade. The support levels for XRP USDT identified by the GB market analysis software are 0.3359, first support 0.328, second support 0.315. Meanwhile, the resistance levels for XRP identified by the software are 356, 368, and 376. Ripple XRP is ranked number 7 in CoinMarketCap's list of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. XRP has experienced a 24-hour rise in price by 2.53%, taking its price up to $36.25. This also put its total market cap at approximately $17.35 billion. Ripple's price rise over the last 24 hours has added to the positive weekly performance, as its price is also up over the last 7 days. Currently, XRP is up 12.76% in the last 7 days. Ripple has been in an ongoing lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, that seems to have turned in favor of Ripple. The final verdict for the lawsuit is expected delivered at the end of the year, which they've already said 2023, so I don't put any stock into that. In addition, the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, has hinted at future expansions for the project. It is believed that the expansion drive will include several strategic acquisitions and mergers. In recent news the past week saw Ripple press the SEC for the release of certain documents that informed a key speech made by William Hinman, a former chairman of the SEC. Recent opinions regarding Ripple's dispute with the SEC suggest that the digital payment network is edging closer to outright victory in the long-running saga. So XRP price technical overview. The daily chart for XRP price has been in a multi-day upwards move over the past week, but posted its first red candle yesterday as it looked to challenge the 50 exponential moving average EMA line, but failed to do so. At the moment, the 50 EMA line is also a strong resistance level that has been keeping XRP's price down over the past several weeks. The relative strength index RSI is overbought territory. The slope of the RSI line suggests that XRP's price may rise more, given its steep positive slope and position above the RSI SMA line. However, the RSI is a slow momentum oscillator and will likely slope negatively if the 50 EMA line holds as resistance. Furthermore, the 20 EMA line is positioned below the longer 50 EMA line, which is a bearish flag that investors need to keep in mind when trying to determine if XRP's price will rise above the 50 EMA line. Given the signal from the GB market analysis software and several other factors, such as XRP's price approaching the 50 EMA line, which is also a major resistance level at the moment, and the relative positions of the 20 and 50 EMA lines, the price of XRP may drop over the next 48 hours. Once again, the signal confirmation would be the price of XRP dropping to 0.33409167, a level between the first and second support levels identified by the software. So that's pretty interesting. Welcome back, everybody. XRP Future Millionaire, and as you know, I reside in the great state of Michigan at 8:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to focus on XRP and XRP only. I wanted to read that because it was a very important article. For me, the immediate short term is we've got this uptrend. Here, let me show you. So we've got this uptrending resistance that we broke through that I put on yesterday just so everybody could see. And if we broke up, we could get up to 53.60. If we had a true break up. Right now, this is nothing more than a fake out, and we're starting to turn a little bit bearish this morning. We've had an excellent pump. So basically for XRP, all you need to do, you see that uptrending resistance. We've also got a very tight uptrending support here that we can actually do like that, because that's actually what's going on. Then you can see how we broke out of this small term pattern. So now what we're trying to do first is we're going to have to come up here to 35.76. Then we'll see if 35.01. But to me, it looks like 33.44 is what's going to happen. That's where I think the targeted move is going to happen. If we can hold 33.34, we could go up. And I'm not saying we're going all the way to 53 cents. What I am saying, though, is we have a little bit of a bullish push. We've talked about the 40-cent target. We've talked about 35, 36 cents for what feels like forever. And honestly, everybody's talking about how we're all bullish again. But what did I talk about yesterday and the day before? We hit these consolidation areas. Now, what if we did this and then just had a quick pop-up and then came down? Everybody's going to get faked out in this entire market. This whole market didn't just all of a sudden magically get better. We have inflation that's going real high. We've got a 100 basis point rate hike coming likely this month. So once that happens, with all things included, it's going to be very bearish. So I wanted to read that out to you guys. I wanted you guys to see what I was thinking. So all you need to know for this morning is we're going to try to back test this. Michaela, your dad's here to test this broken ascending triangle. And we're going to try to back test it. If we can't hold it, we'll come back down to 33, 34. Hit that like button. Join Tom's Army. I got to get everybody out this morning. Stay blessed. And I'll be back shortly.